What would shift today if you fully believed you were already successful? So the concept is called be, do, have. But most people flip this. They wait for the results to validate their identity. But top performers, the ones who lead, sell, and live differently, they start with identity. They start with the be, right? So most people are living their life like this. If I have more X, then I can do the things that I want. Therefore, I will be happy. So it typically goes, if I have more money, if I have more fame, if I have more success, I can do the things that ideally will make me happy. Therefore, I will be happy. That is a recipe for disaster because you're always chasing. So be to have, these folks, they act in alignment with the belief that they're already someone who wins. And then the results, they catch up. If you look at the old model, what happens in the old model is we wait to feel ready. We seek validation. We let fear drive behavior. Not good. New model, we choose belief. We act from it, and we let results follow. So here's your move right now. Pause and ask yourself this question. If I believed I was already successful, what would I do next? I'd probably learn how to write better than a second grader, but that's a different conversation. Would you avoid that tough call? Would you apologize for your price? Would you procrastinate content that could change someone's life? Or would you lead with confidence? Would you take decisive action? Would you say no to distraction? Would you say yes to challenge? It's not fake it till you make it. It's act like it's true and let the results rise to meet your belief. I'm going to say that again. It's not act like it's true. It's let your results rise to meet your belief. Try it for the next 7 days. Write it down. Speak it out loud. What would I do today if I believed I was already successful? And then go do it. If this hit, drop that little fire emoji and share this with somebody who needs a reminder for who they already are.